New and working codes for anime girl RNG stars update. New aura. The brand new aura update is here. You can redeem every single one of these new working codes by following along, typing along. Give me those potions. Give me the potions. Give me some gold. I need some gold and some potions. So last time, which one did I get? Last time I did unbox. Was this the Joe? 1 in 600,000? 1 in 600,000! Joe Mama! We got Joe Mama in the building. But you can redeem more codes by going into your settings. How many rolls do I have? 9 rolls. We have 9 rolls. We are about to get even more gold. Peace. Peace? Peace out. Ronaldo. 6'7". Dubai chocolate. Peace out, you all. Peace out, you all. This is the first code that you want to redeem. Did it work? I'm not really sure what happened, but this one would give you 100,000 gold. Peace out, you all. This is the first code. Be sure to follow along, redeem every single one of these working codes. Like and subscribe for future codes. If you don't have Robux on your Roblox account, comment a heart emoji. Comment a heart emoji if you don't have Robux on your Roblox account. I'm doing daily Robux giveaways so you can actually get yourself a bunch of free Robux. The next code is Summer Part 2. Summer Part 2. For some free gold. Give the man some gold. Give me some gold! Give me some gold! 10,000 gold. Sorry for all delay. More gold. We can redeem even more gold. 24,000 carat gold. Labubu. Ronaldo. Easy. So that was another 100,000 gold. The next one is WoW new map Pan UI. Panda UI. DUI. DUI! Redeem code DUI for a free felony. Free felony. We love gambling. As a once mighty genius said, we love gambling. The next code is sorry for the delay. Redeem code sorry for delay. Sorry for delay. Version 7.5. Version 7.5. You get 7 heaven pots. If you're angel... Wait. 7 heavenly pods and 4.5... Wait, 7.5 thousand gold. Even more gold. Bugs be gone. Bugs Bunny be gone. Bugs be gone. Congratulations, you won the lottery. Alright, so we did get a bunch of free pods. Let's see our inventory. Okay, we get 7 heavenly pods, which are super overpowered, as well as all these other potions. Do not drink them at 3 AM. This girl will appear in your room if you do that. I already tried it. That's why I ran out of all the potions. I have to redeem more codes for these potions. Subscribe for more codes. These are all the codes that you have to redeem. Joe Mama.